Hello, good evening to you. And part of the story here is the Al Bayt Stadium by night. 60,000 capacity here. I'm your match commentator, Derek Ray, and my partner, ready to bring you all the analysis and technical talk, is Stuart Robson. And 2 games in the books already for these two sides. This, their final group stage test. What do you anticipate seeing, Stuart?
Well, these teams know they cannot afford to drop points today. It's so important that they are consistent throughout the group stages if they want to progress further in the tournament. Should be tense, Derek.
Well, doesn't have to do it on his own. Fred. Now with Jesus. And a goal! 1-0. And what a fast start they've made to this game.
Well, that was a fairly easy finish in the end, but he still had to take it. He won't mind how they come, though.
And the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Shaqiri. Remo Freuler. Well, spot on with that challenge. It's neat passing, confidence on the ball. Missing the target by a tiny margin.
Well, it's a difficult skill to get right, but he almost pulled it off there. He made such good contact with the ball.
Neymar. Gabriel Jesus. Neymar. And teammates around him. Neymar. Oh, it's in! A 2-goal cushion now, and the lead fully merited.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a play he is.
So the ball rolling again, 2-0. Clean challenge. And might it be Gabriel Jesus? Wonderful challenge, but the chance is still on. Shaqiri. Granit Xhaka. Steffen. And across the touchline, so a throw in here. Remo Freuler. And a strong tackle. Rafinha. And the referee allowing advantage to... Real chance. It's opened up for him. And a goal to increase their advantage to 3. Can they be stopped?
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
And the action underway once more, with Brazil very much on top. Steffen. Sylvain Widmer. Well, he likes to run at them. Take it away. Rafinha. Neymar. Here's Rafinha. Can he find the right pass? Keeper did his job to begin with. Just fractionally wide, so unfortunate. Remo Freuler. The first half here comes to an end.
Would the club secretary please note Mr. Moon is in the building.
Away they go again. Second half is underway here. Marquinhos. Neymar. Might it be Gabriel Jesus? Elvedi. And intercepted there. Breel Embolo. Now, options are plenty. Well, he went strongly into the challenge, and the result is a throw-in. Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. A decent effort, but the keeper read it all the way. Rafinha. Mateus Cunha. Jesus. Granit Xhaka. Remo Freuler. Xhaka with it. And he's won the ball. Chance here. Oh, and it goes! Now he has his hat-trick. A special moment for him.
Well, you have to admire this bit of play. Just look how he runs with the ball. He always looked in control, didn't he? That's a brilliant goal.
And time for the change now. Well, sadly, we have to conclude that this hasn't really been a contest, but all credit to any side committed to scoring goals like this. And support available. Well, didn't go to plan in the end. Well, he's lost the ball. Well, that's how to do it defensively. Casemiro there. That's a fine-looking run by Gabriel Jesus. There's still danger here. But he took care of it defensively. So almost at full time, and the home side very much in command. Stuart, what have you made of their overall performance?
Well, the result has never really been in doubt, has it? They've created so many chances with some brilliant attacking play. I think they've looked an outstanding team today.
And unable to pick out a teammate. And that'll be a throw. And just 5 minutes remaining. Oh, nice work to get past his opponent. Is it going to be a goal? We're really being spoiled. This is attacking football at its finest.
Well, I won't get tired of watching this. It's an outstanding bit of play. Just look how far he runs with the ball. That's a great goal.
My goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word.
There will be a minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
Suber. Plenty of support here. And full-time, Brazil have prevailed. That's the big story here.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Stuart, your thoughts on their performance?
Well, Derek, they were the better team all over the pitch. We saw good individual performances. We saw an attack which was always threatening, and they played really well. What a performance that was today.